That is our fantastic Italian-American chicken piccata. Look at that. That is superb. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing a really straightforward, easy chicken dish. We're kicking off the new year with chicken piccata. It is Italian-American. It's so simple. There's nothing to the dish. We're going to splash some wine in, but if you don't want to use wine, use chicken stock. It is a straightforward, easy dish. Comes together on the table, 20 minutes. Come on, in here, chicken breasts. So this is really a straightforward recipe. You know, okay, it's Italian-American, but this is one of those dishes enjoyed all over the world. It's a lemony dish. Lemon and butter. It's a fantastic dish. It's got capers in, and obviously I buy my capers in a jar like most people. And what I've done, I've rinsed and I've drained. The reason why I rinse and drained, these are as salty as heck. Okay, our chicken, a couple of chicken breasts. For this dish, we want to be half in the chicken. Now this is not a very good chicken, but we're not going to worry about that. It seems a bit not firm. And when we're saying easy, I mean easy. Okay, chicken breast, we want to half it. We want a couple of fillets of chicken. Nice and straightforward through there. Now, you could actually just leave it butterflied, but you know, that would be a big piece of chicken in the pan that we won't be able to move around. This one is considerably bigger than that one, but we're not worried. Come on, in there. So now we've got 4 pieces of chicken. Now for chicken, for us, it is a straightforward salt and pepper seasoning on there. Now what we are doing, we are just patting dry the chicken. Just a little bit. I want my seasoning to stick on there. Okay. Oh, look at the state of that thing. No worries, it'll still cook. That is a shocking piece of chicken there. Okay, no worries. Okay, on there, pepper. So really what you could have done with that, we could have probably just flattened it out, but I'm not getting a mallet out to flatten it. Salt. You have to salt and pepper your chicken. Now you can use any flavouring of seasoning that you want on here. Don't just be held to salt and pepper. If you want something else on, you put it on. Ordinary all-purpose flour, you can use any flour you like. It's entirely up to you. Now some people grate half a bar of Parmesan cheese and put it in the flour. They think they're doing something really fantastic, but when they actually flour up the chicken, not much Parmesan goes on the chicken at all, so that is a complete waste of money. That's up to yourselves. Right, we want to actually really dust this chicken. Now I don't believe in wasting any money, so I'll leave that to you. There's enough waste with the excess flour. But flour is fairly reasonably priced, so we're not wasting really. So give it a good dusting. Okay, just leave it like that a minute while we prep the rest of the ingredients. Okay, we have a lemon. Now we want a little bit of zest, and we want the juice of the lemon. It's a lemon chicken dish, this. Now if you've got lemons all over the house or anything, you can slice off some lemons for a couple of wedges to put on. Okay, so we are just going to do that, and we're just going to take that off there like that. I want some lemon zest, so we're going to zest over the top as per usual with your zester. Just keep rotating the lemon in your hand, nice and straightforward, and we're not taking any pith. Now you don't have to take too much lemon zest. We do want the juice of this lemon, so we're just going to do that. I'm going to do that. Yeah, we got a good amount of juice there, look. And we've got a little bit of parsley on here, so we want the leaves, obviously. Little scrunchy up. Now use any oil you like. Olive oil in there, butter in there, a nice little melting of the butter in there, and then we're going in with that chicken. Okay, our chicken, nice little shake off in the pan. All we're doing is we want a golden colour on our chicken. Our chicken is going to be cooked. There we go. Now I'm going to flip it a couple of times because I actually want some serious golden colour on there and a nice crispy skin. And obviously when I say skin, I don't mean skin because these are skinless. I mean like the batter flour skin, which is formed on the outside of the chicken. Okay, over we go. We're getting there, look. Take your chicken out on a tray to rest. It's going to rest while we put the sauce together. Okay, now if you look in my pan, you would normally add white wine to deglaze this pan. I do not, repeat, do not want all this. That is your choice, okay? I want the juice, I want the flavour, I don't want the rubbish that's in the pan off the flour. Okay, I don't want that. So all that stays in, this comes out. Everybody to their own. If there's a little bit in there, we are not bothered. We just do not want a pan full of rubbish. We're making a sauce, so we don't really need all that in there. Right, the bits that are in there, white wine. About that much. Now you do not have to use white wine. Like I said, start the video, you can use your stock. Veg stock, chicken stock, up to you. Whatever stock you want to use. Let's just give that a little minute in there. Now there's no rush for this, we're actually putting a bit of a sauce together. Now it's not going to thicken. The sauce for this is actually quite thin. We're going to add our lemon juice in there. We're going to put in a smidgen of our zest. I want to keep some to actually put over the dish at the end. We're going to go in there with our capers. Now I'm going to chuck a little bit of butter in with this, and then we'll put some more butter in when the chicken goes back in. Butter in there. Now this is a buttery dish. The butter kicks back against the acidity and saltiness in here. This is unsalted butter, by the way. We're going to have to add our stock in a second. So we're going to go in there with our stock. I'm adding some pepper. And then it's just a case of cook it down a little bit. And if you want to thicken it, thicken it. Cook it as much as you want. But we want a nice runny sauce over our chicken. There are many ways to cook this. This is the most common way. You know, other people put shallots and garlic and all sorts of stuff in there. That's up to you. Like we said, people put parmesan in the flour. A little bit more butter in our sauce. Not all that much. Nice chunk of butter there, look. Okay, back in with that beautiful chicken. Even that raggy bit there, look. And any of those juices, that's all flavour. In we go. In there, a little bit of that sauce over the top of that chicken as it's cooking. Put a little bit of your parsley in there. Save some for garnish. Nice little stir in. Now the flavour profile of this sauce is slightly salty and sour from the lemon. If you think it's too salty and the butter's not regulated out the acidity in here, add a little pinch of sugar. Put a little bit of sugar in there, sweeten it up a little bit. Don't go too much. You're not making a sweet lemon sauce. Okay, it's got to be salty and sour. Fabulous. There we go. All we got to do now is serve it up. A little bit of that lemon zest on there and on that rice. A little bit of parsley to give us that green. And a little bit of lemon. That is our fantastic Italian-American chicken piccata. Look at that. That is superb. Come on, we're in on it. Let's have a look at the chicken. Look at that chicken. Absolutely perfect. Nice sauce. Lemony, salty, a nice little bit of a zing to that. That is delicious. Come on. Nice buttery lemon flavour through there. Like I say, a little bit salty, a little bit sour. That's what it's all about. Serve it up with some nice veggies or pasta. I've got rice. Fantastic. There you go. If you like what we're doing, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make this Italian American chicken piccata. Lemony dish, slightly salty, slightly sour. Refreshing, delicious, served with veg, rice, pasta, anything like that. Even another knob of butter on there to soak all the way through. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.